This is how to use Payeer. In this video, I'll be taking you through how Payeer work, how to fund your Payeer account, how to withdraw money from Payeer, how to do transfer to different wallets, and in general, how Payeer platform works. So you can see this is Payeer platform. You can see the balance here, which can be accessed by clicking this place. This is your account number. These are your profile settings, and you can make money by referring people. You can also have a card attached to this your account. This is the menu to use to add funds to your different wallets. Like you can see, I currently have $3.27 under the dollar wallet. Like there is dollar wallet, there are other cryptos wallet, there are euro wallet, Bitcoin wallet. These are other cryptos wallet. I'll be showing you how to transfer within this wallet, how to trade using your cryptos, and how to exchange cryptos. That is, you can do crypto swap within this platform. Firstly, how do you fund your Payeer account? Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will see a video I just did on how to fund Payeer by transferring money from ATM to Payeer. But to fund any of your wallet on Payeer, you can instruct somebody to transfer money by giving them your account. You can do that using other exchange and payment platforms like Scree, ATM, and other payment methods. But to add money and fund your Payeer, before that, it is important you note the symbols for each wallet in case you want to fund each of these wallets directly. So you click add. For instance, you want to add money to Bitcoin wallet. You can see this is the minimum Bitcoin you can transfer to this place. You can check the worth of the BTC. That is the minimum you can transfer is almost $13. It changes according to the pricing. This is your incoming wallet. You copy this wallet, you take it to the exchange, or you supply it to the person that will do the Bitcoin transfer to you. As soon as you do that and the amount is within this range, which is minimum, you get this money added to your Bitcoin wallet. So in summary, there are two major ways to fund your account on Payeer. You fund your account directly through your Payeer account by giving a third party your Payeer account for direct funding, and you get this money directly to your dollar account, that is directly to this dollar account. Or you fund your account, or you fund Payeer account directly using any of these wallets. That is, you can fund your Litecoin wallet directly, just as I've described on how to fund Bitcoin. You can also use this menu to do transfer. That is, you can transfer money out of this platform. That is, you withdraw money from this platform. For instance, if you want to withdraw money from Bitcoin, you ensure there is money in your Bitcoin wallet by doing the exchange from this dollar to Bitcoin. How do you do the exchange? It is important to watch this. For instance, I have $3 plus here, and I want to fund my Bitcoin. You can see it is instant transfer. It's within the platform. You write the total amount you want to debit here. You want to debit all the amount, 3.27. This is the amount you will get. This is the charges. To know the amount you get, you can come back to calculator. Look at it. This BTC, you can get $3.10. The charges is this. This is $3.10. Using this exchange, you can swap money from one wallet to the other. From there, you can now transfer money from Bitcoin. You get the wallet address from where the money is going. You paste it here and you put the amount you want to transfer. This is the minimum amount you can transfer. This is the maximum amount you can transfer on this platform.